How to change language in Lost Light. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to change your language setting in the Lost Light game, the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open your Lost Light game on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. After you're inside this control settings tab, look for this globe icon at the bottom center, click on that and choose a different language you want to change to. In the pop-up, click on confirm and this will restart the game, and when the game restarts, you'll be able to see your preferred language in the interface. So that's how it's super easily done. That is how you change your language setting in Lost Light game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.